Hello. Welcome to K for Kids. Do you guys know what is self-cleanliness and why is it important? Let's learn about it.
Teaching kids basic self-cleaning habits is an important part of their development. Here's a simple guide to help kids learn basic self-cleaning routines.
Teach kids to wash their hands frequently, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after playing outside. Show them how to use soap and water, and encourage them to scrub their hands for at least 20 seconds. Brushing is very important for us. Show them how to use toothpaste and a toothbrush, and emphasize the importance of brushing all surfaces of their teeth. Teach kids to brush their teeth at least twice a day, preferably after breakfast and before bedtime. Teach kids to bathe regularly, ideally every day or every other day depending on their activity level and age. Show them how to use soap and shampoo, and encourage them to wash their entire body. Brush or comb your hair regularly to keep it clean and tangle-free. Put dirty clothes in the laundry hamper, and to hang up or fold clean clothes. Tell your kids how to sort laundry by colors and fabrics. Encourage them to help with simple laundry tasks like folding and putting away clothes. Playing together is fun. Children learn how to take turns, share, and resolve the problems. Teach kids to clean up after themselves by putting away toys, books, and other belongings when they're done playing. Make their own bed. It looks so good when kids do it on their own, isn't it? Children learn best by observing and imitating adults, so be sure to lead by example and demonstrate good habits yourself. Encourage them to help with household chores, like dusting, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces. Emphasize the importance of good hygiene habits, such as covering their mouth and nose when they cough or sneeze, using tissues to blow their nose. Positive reinforcement can help motivate them to continue these behaviors. Praise and reward kids for their efforts in practicing good self-cleaning habits. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.